So the very important stage is you need to get your before they get dried out. The secret to do this is just to use normal so like this. I normally have this system, so I get it wet, make it in a kind of pool. See the color? Work it really hard, work it really in. Work them all. If there's any color at all, you know there's still a lot of work to do. You don't need to dry it or anything, just let it do like that. Maybe put it out and you're ready to go for next time. All ready to go.